Ayo, what is up, everybody? And in case you just noticed, the film place is weird because we rearranged it and bought some photos and hung them up in this room, which I wasn't that happy about. But I didn't really have a say in it, so yeah. But in today's video, we are finally making butterfree. And the reason I held off on it for so long was because I didn't have the right color blue for like the feet and the hands. So in today's video, we are going to make butterfree. Let me just find where it is.
Switch it up.
Oh, found it. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. It's butterfree, and then there's Gigantamax butterfree. So, oh crap. Oh. Technical difficulties. Sorry about that. I had to fix that off camera. So, today we are going to make butterfree, like I've said this before, and we're going to start off with the body. And I'll see you next time. Hey, so what's up, everyone? But I finished the body. You cannot see that on camera. Okay, so like that's the antenna thing. Then that's like the eyes and like the nose and like the little things. Then those are the hands. I'm just realizing I forgot scissors. Great, yeah, okay. Well, I'm gonna go get scissors. Whoa, thanks past me, you're welcome future me. Okay, so now we can cut this out. Whoa, now it's all cut out. Thanks past me, you're welcome future me. So now, I'm going to... What am I going to do? I am going to, color in the antennas. So, let's just have future me do it for me.
Switch it up.
So as you saw, I just did the whole thing, which, don't do that, because I had to like use an X-Acto knife do not use without permission from parents or supervision. But don't do that, because once you make the body, just cut out where the hands are so you can put the blue in, because I had to go through like 2 levels of paper, which were surprisingly hard to do. So learn from my mistakes. But this is how Butterfree turned out. You got like the little antennas and like the eyes. See like how the hands are like on the surface, cause like on the back I had to like patch it up where like it was, so like there wouldn't just be random blue spots on the back, because I am a perfectionist. And yeah, but this is what Butterfree looks like. So I'm gonna grab the other 2, Caterpie and Metapod, and then we'll see how they all look together. Whoa! So this is Caterpie. I laminated Caterpie. So yeah, go check out the video for this guy if you want to see how he was made and how you can make one of your own that looks better. Never use spray glue, it sucks. Like, see like all those spots and like those? Just don't do it, okay? Don't. And then this is Metapod, which turned out a lot better because he's just 3 colors. I think this might be the easiest Pokemon I've done so far in the series. Just green and white. And then I colored things in with Sharpie. He looks like so depressed, like your dad came home from work and he had a very bad day at work. And then this is Butterfree. So, Caterpie. Metapod. Free. And that's basically how it works. So, the Caterpie eats grass, and then he like gets a cocoon, and he turns into Metapod. And then Metapod cracks open, oof, R.I.P. Metapod, and turns into a Butterfree. I am having too much fun. If you know anything about being a YouTuber, you can't have fun. I'm just kidding. You can have a great time when you're doing Pokemon or just YouTube in general. So learn from my mistakes. Oh, another mistake was that, or something you could benefit from, is so I did this wing, and I was really happy with how it turned out. But this wing looks nothing like it. So what you should do is you fold a piece of white paper in half, and then you make the design, and then you color it, and then you do that with Sharpie, and then you and then it will bleed through to the other side, so you have a guide to know what you're doing. Cause it could have looked better, but like honestly, I was just like, screw it. I did my best. So yeah, but you don't have to do that. I'm just a perfectionist. But anyway, thanks for sticking around and watching to the end. And I'll catch you next time, where we will build a Lego. Foreshadowing.